No more shade. Let's go at 12 o'clock. Huh? Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah. I see. Beautiful view though. Really something. Getting down is going to be a blast. Sawadee krap. Looks like we've reached. I think they send the little kids up here just to embarrass us adults. Kids show how easy it is for them. Oh my god. Honey, I think we should get a picture at the 5th floor. You and me. Because I'm not sure I'll be back here. Oh, okay. All right. Hold on. Let me turn on my...
Hello, we stand is Waterfall.
Well, 5th floor, Huai Waterfall. Wow. All right. Let's see here. See if I can turn on my phone. And... Okay. I think I got it. Yeah, go take your picture. It's hard to see the name, but let's see. Together. We will be together. Hold on, wait. No, go that way. No, you, this way. There we go. I want it because I want this. Okay. Come to me a little bit. More.
I can make video for you. Picture first time. You die. You want video?
No, I can. No. Yeah? Okay. If you... So we're at the top of the Huai National Park waterfall area. They call it the 5th floor. There's 4 other stops along the way, and then to my left down here is the sort of beginning of the water and the waterfall, and there's a group of folks down there now. But it's a beautiful area. I'm just not sure we're supposed to be up here without a guide, but we're going to find out, because I think there's a guide down there that looks like he's going to have a couple of things to say. Anyway, beautiful.
Okay. Finish you want? Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, I think we're about finished on this one. Yeah. Yeah. So, let's see here if we can catch the beginning of the waterfall, huh? Sawadee-krap. This is where it starts. No, finished. I think I'm finished. Yep, we're going to sign off here and eventually head back down. There's a pool over there with some... Huh? I will, yeah, because there's some people sitting over there. I don't want to disturb them until when they leave. We'll walk over there where the pool is, and we'll go. See you soon.